Why do you think people should go to Holy Names, Rosanna?
It's an outstanding school. If they came here, they would get a fantastic education and meet so many wonderful young ladies. Come to Holy Names.
Why should you come to Holy Names?
You should come to Holy Names because it is an amazing school where you can have tons of opportunities with anything that you would like to do and anything that you would like to learn. And there's so many new opportunities for friends and experiences.
Why should you come to Holy Names?
All the people here are really nice and the food's really good.
Why should kids go to Holy Names?
I think kids should go to Holy Names because there's so many resources that it gives to preparing you for college.
Why should you come to Holy Names?
Holy Names is a great school because there's so many fun traditions here, things we'll be doing year after year, pep rallies, song contest, all those great things. It's also a great place to learn and the tater tots.
Why do you think kids should go to Holy Names?
I like the opportunities and in the clubs that we have.
Why should kids go to Holy Names?
Okay, well, I think that some kids should come to Holy Names because it's a positive learning environment. You get hands-on and one-on-one activity with teachers, and you get to build this awesome friendship, and it's a great community for everyone to be in. And honestly, it's just a great learning experience.
Why should kids go to Holy Names?
Because Holy Names is the best place for girls to become the best version of themselves.